Today I'm working on a 2015 VW Transporter T6. Now what we've opted in for is the KENWOOD DMX-F920DS. Essentially a great looking floating unit. The beauties of this are you can go left and you can go right, but also as well you have got facility just to put your hands behind and tilt up and down. You've got all the latest features, first of all starting with a nice HD screen. You got your essentials, CarPlay, Android Auto. So I've got my CarPlay going, got my sat nav, got all my music. But if I did want to go back to the KENWOOD options, essentially I can just click on my digital radio, or you've got a load of different options. Now this particular model, you can plug your HDMI port, so things like a Fire Stick, that can get plugged in, and essentially overall a beautiful 9-inch screen. We've also integrated the reverse camera, so as soon as you put in reverse, you've got a nice big bold display. Overall, a great looking unit for the Transporter.